Okay, boomers, I'm here again. Today I have to do, I've done a lot of office work and stuff. And now I have to, I'll tell you what's going on here. The office is a mess, as you can see. But it's not cleaning the office that's been irritating me lately. It's this guy here who always wants to come and cuddle with my feet. That's okay, I like that. But he always gets stuck in all these cables. I mean, there is some cable management going on, but not good enough for our little puppy dog here. He gets tangled in the wires. So therefore, I'm going to be doing some cable management under the desk. And hopefully I'll clear out some of the stuff here as well. I don't understand. Google started playing up the stairs. What the hell? Okay, this thing here was mounted on the wall there. I'm gonna move it in under the desk there. And it's not so easy to work when you've got a dog licking your ear. Okay, this is just going to be put up back there. I'm going to put a thingy here. I don't know what you call it, cable management cutter or whatever. And one on the other end as well. So let's get to work. Okay, the desk is still messy, but underneath, Mr. Doggy is lying down. All the cables are managed nicely to the wall. Stuff. See, it's a bit messy just above the block there. Also a bit right in the corner of it. Everything else looks nice and clean. Oh, the desk, I guess. So, Mr. Doggo, enjoying your sleeping area? Or you're just very curious about the sweetie? Funny thing is, he doesn't want to sleep here when I want to film him. He's like, are you doing something else? I want to go. Just when he's when I'm sitting working. Okay, another sweetie. Yes, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's such a good boy. Yeah. High five. High five. Yeah. Okay, I guess I'm done. There's some mess over there. There's storage for my minis. I'll get to that later. But at least there's a usable area there. And also this area needs to be organized better, but I mean, for the time being, good enough. Also on the top there. Ooh, good IQ. Yeah, you gotta know how to make those YouTube videos. And then you have this area here looks a bit nicer as well. Of course, under a desk for a doggo. He likes to sit. And a server I need to get up and running. I did a boo-boo on that one. I drilled some holes for a power supply. And I forgot, it was mirrored. The power supply is on this side. So it's not going here, so I'm going to have to take it off and drill some new holes. Okay, yeah. So, boomers keep booming, boomers unite.